What's going on, guys? LUDEDUDE here. Hold on. What's going on, guys? LUDEDUDE here, back again. I recently posted new videos on YouTube. If you haven't seen them already, they were about the Civic. So go ahead and go check those out. But I had taken a break a couple days ago to do some work on the Prelude. I decided to change the spark plugs, the wires. Still working on the fuel filter because it's torqued factory spec, so it's hard to bust the service bolts loose. So I'm still working on that, so I can change that. But slowly giving the LUDE a tune-up to add more power. So yeah, but my fuel economy and my horsepower have gone up since I've changed the spark plugs and the spark plug wires. What else? That's pretty much it. That was a couple days ago. So we also, me and Miss JDM Attitude, did something to LUDE because it's been really hot here, and as you can tell, that's all smoke. So there's like 5 fires going in this area, so it makes it hard to breathe. But anyway, we recently did something to the LUDE to help with the heat and privacy. So what we had did, which was a pain in the ass, may I add, is we decided to tint the windows. And obviously you can tell that it's an extreme dark tint. This is the 2.5 tint percentage with a touch of charcoal gray. So we just went around the whole vehicle, mostly the rear window, the passenger window, driver's passenger window, and the sunroof window, and just went around and tinted them. That was entertaining, but gained me more privacy because I was sick of people looking into my car all the time, and I was worried that stuff would get stolen out of it. So, and plus, it looks mobbed out, and a lot of people like it the way it is now. So I like it, but yeah. So tint the windows. See what else. She had went and specially made and ordered a license plate with LUDEDUDE and Prelude 88. So that gets a lot of attention also, but now people know and distinguish who I am and who the car is. So, but still got those pop-ups. And I don't know if I showed you, I did the chameleon on the bottom, and then I did the gecko for the main lights. So these are a color changing gecko, so they have a green tint to a yellow, and they are absolutely amazing. I get a lot of looks because of it. And I'm still running these Alpinas and they've been just working awesome. So I've almost had these for about a year. There's just been a lot done to the car previously. A good friend of mine, Garrett, he had helped me get all my parts together so I could complete the car. So now, let's see, which side was it? I think it was the passenger side. I think. Yes. If you look at one of my videos, this corner light, there was none. There was tape right here. So this is an OEM replacement. So that's fixed. Let's see what else. Oh, got rid of the trunk. This is a 1990 Honda Prelude. Trunk with the incorporated spoiler. This was optional and was a special order when the car came out. So you'd have to individually specially order this spoiler for the 90s Prelude. But that was a birthday gift from Garrett, and it's in great shape. The LED light as you can tell works great, and I love that the most. This car is extremely bright at night, so, but yeah, like I said, and how I did that was I just took it from under here where the third brake light was, which is right here, and I tied it into the brake light, the spoiler brake light for the trunk. And then when I go to paint it, all I gotta do is quick disconnect, so these pop out. It's a plug and play, and then good to go. So that was pretty easy. But this thing is extremely heavy, so I might have to do something about that. But this was off, not an SI model, it was off a 2.0 model. So I didn't feel right with having just the 2.0 model on there. So I took the one off my old one and I put it on this one, because that would be kind of confusing. So, oh, and if you can tell, this light is now fixed. It is a complete, because the old one, if you look in my videos, there was tape right here due to it being in an accident from the previous owner. Well, I got a replacement, and now it's a whole back piece. And as you can tell, I went OEM and got the replacement for this, the centerpiece. So now it's all OEM. So I'm thinking about incorporating some LEDs in here to light up the Prelude symbol, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, the car is complete. So next thing I'm gonna work on is pulling these lights out, because when the car was in an accident, it pushed all this in. So I gotta pull these lights out with washers, so it'll match the bumper right here. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Keep you guys updated on what's next to come with the Lude, but I have lowered it just a little bit more, as you can tell. So this thing is static pretty bad. So there's minus hardly any clearance down there. So, but yeah. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and stay updated on all my recent videos, and go from there. So until next time, LUDEDUDE out.